HPE2-W09 Real questions are newly updated for your Aruba Data Center Network Specialist exam. 1. Switch 1 and Switch 2 are Aruba DAOSCX switches, which are part of a virtual switching extension, VSX, fabric. Switch 2 is the primary member. Switch 2 experiences a power failure while Switch 1 remains up. Switch 2's power recovers, and Switch 2 reboots. Is this one of the things that happens when Switch 2 finishes booting? Solution. SWITCH2 wails a period called the link-up delay before it enables switched virtual interfaces, SVLs, on its VSX lags. A. Yes. B. No. Answer. A. 2. Is this a difference between a typical data center network's requirements and a typical campus network's requirements? Solution. Data center network traffic flows are typically east-west, whereas while campus networks experience more north-south traffic. A. Yes. B. No. Answer. A. 3. Your task is to configure an EVPN solution for a dual-stack IPv4 and IPv6 protocol in the overlay networks. Is this statement about EVPN and IPv6 correct? Solution. IPv6 protocol can be encapsulated in the underlay network's IPv4 packets. A. Yes. B. No. Answer. B. 4. Does this correctly describe Network Analytics Engine, NA, limitations on Aruba OCX switches? Solution. You can run NA with VSX, but only the primary VSX member will actually run agents during normal operation. A. Yes. B. No. Answer. A. 5. Aruba OCX switches are acting as virtual extensible LAN, VXLAN, tunnel endpoints, VTEPs, without Ethernet VPN, EVPN. Does this correctly describe how the VTEPs handle VXLAN traffic forwarding? Solution. VTEPs that use head-end replication forward broadcast as multicast to each VTEP in the same VNI. A. Yes. B. No. Answer. A. 6. U8 using NetEdit to manage Aruba DAOSCX switches. You want to deploy a standard CON-FLG to the switches, but need the config to include a few device-specific settings such as hostname and IP address. Is this what you should do? Solution. Instead of using a standard configuration plan to deploy the configuration, create an auto-config plan that uses scripts. A. Yes. B. No. Answer. A. 7. Your customer is using Nutanix AHV and they need a network orchestration tool to simplify network provisioning. Is this operation supported when Aruba Fabric Composer, AFC, is integrated with Nutanix? Solution. Automated provisioning of lags between AHV and VSX. A. Yes. B. No. Answer. A. 8. Does this correctly describe Network Analytics Engine, NA, limitations on Aruba OCX switches? Solution. Different switches have different limitations for the number of NA scripts, monitors, and agents supported. A. Yes. B. No. Answer. A. 9. Is this a best practice when positioning Aruba OCX switches in data center networks? Solution. Deploy Aruba CX83XX switches as data center spine switches. A. Yes. B. No. Answer. A. 10. Is this correct positioning of Aruba OCX switches in the data center? Solution. A data center will use a leaf spine topology and requires 64 leaf switches. Aruba CX8325 switches can be a good choice for both the leaf and spine switches. A. Yes. B. No. Answer. A.